To celebrate the 55th birthday of the former Deputy Governor of Edo State, Honorable Shaibu, in family, friends and well-wishers joined body with the celebrant for Samuel Gbemudia Stadium to enjoy one Novelty football match after the golf tournament wey dem play for morning on Saturday, November 30, 2024. The match wey get Team Orange wey be the home team and Team White wey be ex-international players last for 40 minutes and the two teams play wella wey show say no dullings for the competition. Before the match, the state chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC, Emperor Jared Tenebe, plus the Commissioner of Police, Umoru Ozigi, meet with the teams wey welcome them wella. Among the teams now, Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Idahosa. For exactly 12 minutes past 7 for evening, Comrade Marian Shaibu, wife of the celebrant, can do the ceremonial kickoff to start the game. For the first half, Team Orange scored 2 goals, one for 22 minutes past 7 and the other for 28 minutes past 7. And Bodwin Bazwaye and the celebrant Honorable Shaibu scored the goals.
And the celebrant who is the winner from the Western attack, we have the ball now to Austin, back to the celebrant of Francia, and the referee has a balloon. We also go there for the celebrant. We have to come with the Shaibu. And 32 for Team Shaibu. Congratulations. Very much right there.
For the second half, the celebrant can change team to join the ex-international squad where he for score 1 goal for Team White around 6 minutes past 8, just 1 minute before the match finished. For one to talk with the celebrant Honorable Shaibu, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Idahosa, and the Edo APC Chairman Emperor Jared Tenebe, they can thank God for Honorable Shaibu life and come also chook mouth on why he deserves to be celebrated.
It was very fun. This is all big stars across the country. All of them gathered today. Come follow us play. I had a great time, and I want to once again wish my predecessor, the former Deputy Governor of Edo State, a very wonderful, happy birthday. And I pray that God will continue to bless him.
It is not just the Novelty match, but because the match is to mark the 55 years of our son, a leader that we have created in our area that is going somewhere. Today, they wanted to destroy him, but by the power of God, they were unable. I want to ask a question. Where is Governor Obaseki today? He's nowhere to be found. He's on the run. Where is Comrade Philip Shaibu was his deputy governor? He's here, marking his 55th birthday today. By the grace of God, we have where we are going to, and he will get there. I will only say congratulations to him.
Yeah, I feel very happy, excited. All the who is who in Nigerian football, both past and present, are here today. You can see the likes of Elastic Elaho, 1010, all of them, including even Austin Egwavo, the national team coach, all here. So, and the Vendor Insurance Supporters Club, even Delta players are here. So I am happy, excited, I'm overwhelmed with joy. I'm out of office, and this is still happening. It shows the grace of God. And I pledge to continue to do what is right at all times.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. From Samuel Gbemudia Stadium, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.